You want to go to 50?
How's he gonna get back? Got nothing to do with that.
Crawl, baby, crawl.
Tell him to follow the same way.
Mommy!
Come on, Daniel.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Touch me. It's up to my time. I made it. Woo! My baby bucket. Swim mothering right there. She was up to my thighs, y'all. My thighs. I'm like 5'11". She was up to my thighs, y'all.
Bet you missed that cruise now. She got your hoodie all bent up, look, your hood all off. Look, the bucket flying away again. That damn bucket. Come back this way. Come on. Turn around. That's right. Lift them legs, girl. Come on, give me a hand.
Mommy, dang.
See, that's why Daddy made that path for you. Well, made them that nice little ditch, that nice little path that be alright. You better go over here and go play. You alright, Tyler? Let me find out you done for right now.
No, hell no. Nah, I'm mad. My baby bucket that flew away again before I could shake the motor.
You didn't get the bucket again? It's right here, Ty.
Daniel, go get your bucket. I think I got snow in my boots, nigga. Look. Oh, boo, 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 pull my boot. Boo, pull my boot. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
No, leave your boots on, Terry.
Oh,